Hello, how's it going guys? My name is Praveen and today I'll be unboxing and review this Realme Buds Classic earphone. So I ordered this earphone from Realme store and it is the 3.5 jack earphone. India has launched at the price of 399 rupees and I think the price is down now to 299 rupees. If you want to buy, you can buy right now. The price is so cheap compared to other headphones. So yeah, that's a pretty big deal. And it does have a 4.2 mm large driver. It means that you will get a good amount of bass and clear sound when you listen to any song with this earphone. We also get inline SD microphone, and it says comfortable hub in ear design, a round shape that comfortably fits into the ear canal. It means that you will feel comfortable when listening into the music and other stuff. As long as you want it, it will not gonna hurt for long time use in your ear. That's a cool design from Realme. And also it does have a yellow cable organizer which can manage your earphone cable properly, so that's cool. And talking about the weight, it does weigh only 14 grams. It is very lightweight earphone. And one thing that it does have a special straps and tangle free design, and the cable is made up of a TPU material, which means that it does have a durable, good quality cable. And it does have a built-in music and call control. What basically means is that you can actually use this button to pause or play video or song like that. And this is a single button. You can actually also forward song with double tap. So that's cool. And lastly, you can open Google Assistant with the press and hold with this button. And also you can use this as to take a picture with this button. Okay, my first impression are the build quality. It does look so stylish, clean, and look premium. And also it doesn't hurt my ear while using for long period of time. And lastly, it delivers a fantastic sound quality. It does give clear sound with the bass. So yeah, that's it. And it does have a built-in music and call control, everything with the button. So yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and also check out my other video. See you guys in the next video.